Hey y'all, it's your girl Chai here and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can already see by the title, today's video is my birthday vlog. Yay! I just came from the nail salon. I wanted to do a vlog, like, you know, showing me getting my nails and my toes done, but y'all, they had made me mad up in there. Tell me why. Yesterday I called yesterday morning to make the appointment and they opened at 9:30, so that's what I wanted to make my appointment for, but the girl said no, do 9:45 because sometimes we're late. So I was like, oh, okay, no problem. So 9:45, and I said, but I want you to do my nails because I know you do it right, period. Like, it's the owner, y'all. I've gone to other people, and it's no shade to, you know, beginners and whatnot, because we all begin somewhere. But if I don't want to stick with a beginner, I don't want to stick with a beginner. Like, I'm paying my money, I better come out of here happy. I don't want to come out being mad or upset or not liking my nails. Absolutely not. So I come in today at 9, it was like 9:40, because I was like, I bet you, even if they're not late, I bet you it's gonna be people in there already. And absolutely not, because they open at 9:30. So people who are walk-ins who want to come in at 9:30, she didn't tell them over the phone like, oh, you gotta come in at 9:45 because they didn't make an appointment. So I go in and she has somebody in her chair already, and I was like, that's fine, because I need to do my pedicure, so y'all could do that first. But then I'm walking, she's trying to seat me with a different nail tech. I said, no. Yeah, she tried to sit me with a different nail tech. I said, I'll make the appointment with you to do my nails. And she was like, oh no, but she could do it. I said, but I know you do it right, and I want a certain design. And this is not like a crazy design. This is like French, but you know, some people, if you're a beginner especially, it might be looking crooked. It might not look nice. Like, so I don't want to deal with that. And this is my birthday. I don't want to deal with being upset about my nails. Like, so she was like, okay, we'll do your pedicure first. And I was like, okay. So somebody else did my pedicure, in which I told her over the phone yesterday, like, that's okay with me because, you know, I got a regular gel pedicure. I didn't do like the tips. I mean, the French tips. I didn't want to do it like that. I just wanted it my whole nail polish, so you can't go wrong with that. So the girl does my toes. I'm all done, I'm ready, and the girl didn't know that I didn't want the lady that she initially was gonna seat me with. So she was about to seat me with her, but then the girl was like, no, over here. And then they started talking in, you know, their Asian language. I don't know what it is, but that just made me so uncomfortable, because it's like, I literally called yesterday and I told you I want you to do my nails. The fact that you didn't write it down or whatever the case, or you did write it down but you was like, yeah, I'm not gonna do her nails anyway, that's not my problem. You know, because this lady, whoever came, I don't know if she had an appointment or she was a walk-in or whatever, I don't care. Like, I understand, especially for the owners, a lot of people be wanting the owners to do, you know, their stuff, whether it's, you know, the hair salon, because they know they're more experienced than, you know, other people. But at the end of the day, that comes with the job. That's why you need to only take appointments if you're the owner. I was thinking to myself, I'm not coming back here no more, whatever. But I don't know, because the lady nonetheless was still being nice to me. But it's just some little slick things that make you uncomfortable and make you mad and make you not want to go back. Because I know good and well you was talking about me, because you don't make it, you not low about it, period. So that's my little story time about my nails. But these are my nails, y'all. If my stomach growl, ignore it, because I didn't eat. I'm like on crunch time right now because my aunt is about to take me out for dinner. I mean, for brunch or lunch, whatever. So I'm about to get prepared for that. I think I'm gonna keep this dress on, y'all. But yeah, I want to like freshen up. I'm kind of like sweating right now, so I'll get back to you guys when we're at the restaurant. Excuse me if you can't hear me well, or that noise in the background. That's my air conditioner. It's hot, y'all know it's summertime, so I need that. Sorry, but I just wanted to say, like, my moisturizer is not a curl definer. No, like I didn't formulate this to make it to define your curls. Now, for some of our wavy haired girl, or even some of our 3 hair type girls, they may be able to get away with just using this as a curl definer, because I know that some women are their hair, all it needs is moisture to have their hair defined, and not necessarily like a gel or anything. So it may work on your hair, and soon I will find out once I start doing samples and testing and whatnot. But yes, I just want to let y'all know it's not meant to be a curl definer. Although if it happens, then hey, good for you. But guess what? Don't buy this product with the intention of getting your hair curly, or at its most defined point. The purpose of this is to moisturize your hair. But I also wanted to say that this side is just, you can feel how dry it is, whereas this side is more fluffy and it's more moisturized. So now I'm going to add the moisturizer to the other side. Alright, so y'all know the heart braids or whatever. That's been trending. I think I want to do that, but I never done it before, and I'm on crunch time. If y'all don't see the heart, that means because I had a failed attempt at creating the heart, and I don't have all the time in the world to sit and try to do it. Alright, y'all, so I decided to do just 3 braids next to the heart. I was gonna do the whole thing full of these small braids, but I was like, I don't feel like doing that. I am going to sit under my hooded dryer because I low-key want to take my hair out tonight, so I don't have to go to sleep with these rollers in my head. So hopefully my hair dries before I'm too tired and want to go to bed. But I'll see y'all soon. So I'm going to open up some presents that I got this morning. I already opened up one for my brother. The card is upstairs, but I got a gift card. This is from my parents. Oh, you gotta act like you don't see the money falling out. Oh, how beautiful.
Oh wait, what's that?
Oh, that's cute.
Money? I would have never guessed.
My boyfriend is next to me, and it's awkward to record in front of other people. This is from my boss at work. She gave it to me. She gave it to me on Thursday, but she told me not to open it until today because it'll be bad luck if I do.
That is right up your alley, yo.
Oh, it is. I don't remember if I told her my favorite color is pink. Me and my boyfriend are going to finish eating our breakfast, and then we're going to head to the beach. So I will see you then.
Yo, say what's up to your viewers.
That's thunder.
Oh shoot. Yeah, nah, it might be a wrap. And you chilling eating pizza. That whack New Jersey pizza.
Shut up. You hear them?
Huh?
That's time ago.
I said on a scale of 1 to 10, what you rate this beach day?
Like a 7. It's not bad.
7?
It's just it's gonna rain.
Yeah, I think I agree. It's a solid 7. The sun was out in the beginning and then it dipped off behind these clouds.
That thing looks so scary.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Can we grab?
Okay, guys.
We at Little Island on it's the Hudson River, I think? Maybe.
You know what it is.
Look, this is nice. That's all I know. We about to go in here, enjoy nature and the water, this dirty New York water. It's about to be lit.
What is your water? Let me show y'all what we see. Isn't it beautiful?
Only in New York. You heard?
No, we would have been better off in Edgewater, New Jersey, but it's all right.
Ew, Edgewater. Ew. This is so fire.
Recall our birthday. It connects. She's got shop, school, soccer jersey. She had everything.
As I recall.
Like, she was talking in the video, like, oh, this is
Sheesh. We're at the frying pan in yeah, but what is this? I think so. Oh yeah, it is. Hudson River Park right there.
Yeah, we're at the frying pan. It's a restaurant on the coast, on the Hudson River. So I'm drinking something.
I think it's called a blueberry or blue crush.
Yeah, something. I don't know what the liquor is, but it's got blueberry lemonade or something in it. That's the only reason I'm drinking it, because otherwise I wouldn't drink drinking it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I think it's pretty good.
And he has a blind spray.
Only because I'm driving, right?
He's my driver.
We had an Uber, and straight.
They don't have no
chase.
Hennessy ghetto.
I guarantee they got Hennessy over there.
That wasn't on the menu, y'all.
I'll go ask right now.
Go ahead. Update on my Senate tattoo.
Food for Alyssa.
It got messed up a little bit right here, but it's cool. That's why I got the ring on. And look, it's on my hand, on my palm, and right here. But it's okay because it's overall cute enough, right?
Yeah, it looks nice. That reminds me of the tattoos I used to put on. You know, little fake ones you do with the kids, the candy bars. I used to love those.
Candy box. Cereal box.
Cereal, just having the little, you know, the fake cigarettes.
Oh
The white
yeah.
sticks, you have the little sticks in there. Yo, tatted up. Let's go to school tatted up.
And I used to be fresh with them things, acting like I'm smoking, thinking I'm cool.
I ain't gonna lie, I remember one time this girl, she had a butterfly. She put on her chest. I was like, wow, man.
Dolly, what?
Huh? I was like 10. What's going on, man?
Y'all, I got this romper on, right? And I didn't know my boyfriend. I didn't know what he got me for my birthday. And so I was gonna wear this like initially regardless without me knowing what he got me. And he got me a purse, a red purse. And y'all, not only that, but I did my hair on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. And I put a heart in my hair, right? Y'all can see. And look, it's a heart purse. Mind you, he been got this gift for me, so what do you think that is?
Fake.
Yeah.
And good style on my part.
Oh yeah, my hair is different from yesterday. Look. Oh, I forgot.
She already forgot. Good.
Shut up.
Terrible.
Because I'm used to only having one on. He got me this too. Like,
What's the
you
L
want people to know I got a boyfriend so bad.
Oh, yeah.
I already got me this too. Like, I'm just imagining. Alright, why do you keep drinking my drink?
Sorry.
Because you're going to get another one in a minute.
Sorry. The food is ready. I know it's backwards, but I promise it says the food ready.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Come back with the food and show y'all what we need. Alright?
Yeah, I was talking to Dad.
I want to talk to you. They my friends too.
No, but I was telling him about my hair. So, yeah. My hair's different than it was from yesterday because we went to the beach and I underestimated how it was going to be because it was saying that it was going to be like 77 degrees, but you don't know when you're in the ocean. It's like colder, naturally colder over there because of the water, but it was still pretty hot and my hair was flooded out. So I did all that work on Friday, putting them rollers in my hair for nothing. So now I'm just wearing my natural hair or whatever.
You look great.
Thank you. Yeah. What? We
You want
can't
me
get
to
up
go
on
by
the
myself?
We can't get up on here. Somebody gonna take it.
You need excuses.
But it's true.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Huh?
You got spinning stuff.
Huh?
So you got spinning circles and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, with all these lights, it's gonna be like a little fairy tale. You say you gonna fall? Yeah. One more time, but with more confidence. Yeah.
about to go to a diner.
Florence Prime Diner.
Yeah. This is our last day celebrating my birthday together. Me. But yes.
Hopefully this food is fire.
Just as good. Oh, we didn't tell you guys yesterday the food at the other diner. I mean at the boat restaurant. It was so good.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Most of the stuff on the menu was sold out, so that's why we had like a little bit on our plate, but it didn't matter anyway because yeah, because we already ate before we went there, maybe like 2 hours before, so we weren't like starving, but we still had the plans to go out to eat. So but yeah,
I think you was a pirate in your past life, because that boat was rocking. He's like, I don't feel it.
Yeah, y'all, he kept insisting that the boat was moving, but I didn't feel anything.
I felt like I was a prisoner on the ship. That shit was shaking.
Only at one point did I feel it move, and it was just a little bit, so I don't understand how he was being so extra about it. My boyfriend took me through this nice neighborhood. I don't know if I'm gonna put it before or after this clip, but y'all will have seen it or are about to see the clip of the neighborhood. It was very nice.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is nice too. This is giving upgraded projects.
Nah, you not lying.
But yeah, I will get back to you guys when we get to the restaurant. Okay, you guys, today is the last day, unfortunately, of my birthday weekend. Today is currently Tuesday, July 19th. I'm actually not going out and doing anything today. Today is really just for me to kind of rejuvenate and relax before I have to go back into work tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys everything that my boyfriend got for me for my birthday, because I did not get the chance to show y'all. I didn't bring my ring light with me to his house, otherwise I would have shown you guys then. But I wanted to wait till I had, like, you know, good lighting and whatnot to show you guys the gifts. First, he got me this. He knows I love my plushies and my little teddy bears and whatnot. He got me this teddy bear too. Well, not for my birthday, but for Valentine's Day one year. And, you know, so he knows I love it. He knows I like strawberries. So he said to me, like, when he found that out, like, that was kind of like his theme. Like, so when we were at the restaurant and I showed you guys the necklace, I mean the bracelet that he got me, y'all saw that it was a strawberry like little charm on that as well. And I'm not going to show that, nor am I going to show the necklace that he got me, because I already showed it to you guys before. And y'all already seen this purse too, so now I'm thinking about it. I didn't have to pull this out, but y'all seen this purse on me at the restaurant, and I already told y'all the little story behind this too, you know, with my little heart in my hair. So yeah, everything else except for the plushie is from Fashion Nova. My boyfriend knows I love my Fashion Nova. Y'all know it too. If y'all ain't seen my Fashion Nova hauls, my summer dress haul, as well as, like, you know, my everyday going out hauls, check those out too. I'll probably link them down in the description box for your convenience. Okay, now this is the next one. You could rock it with or without the chain, and this one as well. You don't have to with a chain, you could just hold it too. One day I'll probably wear it like this, holding it by the handle, but this one you just gotta like kind of like a clutch. So this one is so cute too. This is different. I think it's so cute. I feel like I would not purchase this on my own, or maybe I would, but now that I have it, I'm definitely about to rock this some type of way. This is so super cute. Yeah, my boyfriend is just the best, y'all. He's so thoughtful. And his favorite color is red, y'all. So I don't know why he got me all this red stuff, knowing that's his favorite color, not mine. But nah, we gonna let it slide. We gonna let it slide because I still love everything. So then he got me these red jeans from Fashion Nova too. These are a size 11. This is the world's best mom high-rise jeans, and these actually fit me. I thought they might have been tight on me, because the last time I was a size 11 was like in high school, but yeah. But I fit into these, and these are so cute. They look so good on me. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna pair these, but maybe not, because he also got me this this cropped varsity jacket. It is so cute. He got this in a large for me. It was a little tight on me, so I'll probably, I hope y'all didn't see my eye twitching just then. Anyway, so when I buttoned these up, it was a little tight around like my chest area, so I'm gonna have to wear this open. But yeah, this is definitely gonna get worn once it starts getting a little cold outside. So yes, it's just so cute. Like, I don't know, I don't have a vision for this yet, but I'm not about to wear this regular degular. Like, I gotta look good. He also got me chocolate covered strawberries, and I'm gonna put that on the screen for you guys to see. I work at a supermarket, but I work in the office. But when I used to be on the sales floor, I used to work for the home shopping department, and I just left that department like a few months ago. So those ladies, we were like such a huge family, and we still are. I still love and miss them to death. So they decided to get me something for my birthday too, which I had no idea about. They got me a foot spa. We used to be like super duper overworked, and as much as I loved that department, as much as I like to walk around the store and shop and not have to, like, you know, be in one place at all times, it was taking a toll on my feet, and my feet used to hurt so much. I used to limp. I guess they took that into consideration, even though I'm not shopping no more, and they was like, you know what, let's get her a foot spa, because she always complained that her feet hurt. So that was so sweet. Thank you guys so much, as well as everybody else who bared me gifts, who wished me a happy birthday. I had such a special and nice birthday this year, and I couldn't thank everybody enough for the kind words, for what you guys have done for me. I just appreciate everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog as much as I enjoyed making this vlog. Comment down below what you think of the video. Comment down below your birthday too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And yes, I will see you guys in the next one.